engineering?
Hi, Martin. You know, I was thinking. Oh my God, I'm sorry, wrong number.
Jesus.
Mobile facilities with physical hooligans. Someone will pay dearly for this. So the stress meter is inside me. Mobilize this. Don't worry, I'll get you the police. I don't think so.
Detective?
Listen, I'm sorry about last night. Here, I made this for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, I'll drive. I gotta learn to do this once in my life.
Okay. Thank you for the lovely gift.
Look, I don't know what you guys put into my cryo slush, but when I thawed out, the first thing I wanted to do was knit. I mean, how come I know what a zipper foot and a shuttle and a hook and bobbin and a petty point is? I can weave a throw rug right now with my eyes closed.
It's part of your rehab program. For each inmate, the computer draws up a skill or trade which best suits their genetic disposition. And it would implant the knowledge and the desire to carry out whatever training was assigned.
I'm a seamstress? Oh, that's just great. I come out of cryo prison and I'm Betsy fucking Ross. And Phoenix comes out and he can access computers, operate all vehicles, knows the location of every damn thing in town, and is 3 times stronger than when he went in.